Welcome to the QSpatial Login and Register tutorial. The QSpatial Register and Login process allows you to customize your experience and save your preferences, saving you time when searching, accessing, and downloading data. Once you are on the QSpatial website, you will notice a yellow login area with options of public and internal logins. The internal login is for Queensland Government staff. They will use the internal login button with no credentials needed. The public login is for external QSpatial customers who can gain access through a QGov, Microsoft, or Google account. It's free to set up an account if you do not already have one. Simply follow the prompts to create a public login. Click the grey register button to create your account. Create a username. This must be a valid email address. Create a password. Ensure you use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Enter your mobile number. This is to verify you and keep your account secure. Ensure you have checked the I agree to the terms and conditions box. Click the green continue button. If you have difficulty creating a login, please visit the How do I create a QGov account option on the register screen. If you have registered an account, you will be able to log in. Click on the login button applicable to you and follow the prompts. The option for My Profile will now appear. Clicking on this will show your account details, saved searches, saved subscriptions, and saved download monitors. We hope that this tutorial has helped you to utilize the register and login feature of QSpatial. If you need further assistance, please check on our help page. Email opendata@resources.qld.gov.au or call 07 3330 4101.